Hello and welcome, it's Julie Cube, gradually getting my voice back. She says that, but it quickly fails on her, so bear with me. Today I'm doing a completely different composition, and I'm actually doing the composition in my ghost technique as my background for the other good bits that I'm going to do. And I'm going to do in lovely earthy metallics and autumn themed colours. I mixed some of those colours the other day and just was really happy with the colours that I mixed. So, you know, having that autumn theme, just something different than the really bright reds and yellows, but I'm sure I'll be back on with those very soon. So as you can see, I've sort of done this triangle thing composition, so I'm just spreading the paint out at the moment. I will jump back in when I need to. So my next colour is a custom colour. It was metallic silver with burnt umber, so it makes this really lovely sort of minky, metallic mink colour. Yeah, it's really lovely, so I thought I'll give this one a go, so I'll do the same here and spread these out.
Until winter comes, until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
At this point, the paints that I've put down, those two colours, are quite thick and nuggety. They're really creamy, and I'm purposely trying this so I don't have it too thin and blow like everywhere really far. I want to slow the paint down when I blow it, so having it thicker, you can actually control it more, and it does look, when you finish it, like chunky, like how you can see, but it actually ends up drying quite flat on the canvas, and a few little creases here and there in the paint is actually mixed media. It looks nice, I don't mind it. But look at this, look at this, look at this, looky. This ghost technique, just doing your background look over the, either blowing the light over the dark or vice versa. It just is really lovely, and I've got so many ideas going around my head for different compositions with this actual background. It is really stunning, and I'm enjoying doing this particular composition at the moment, and I hope you guys are too. So yes, I'm just merrily going along, taking it nice and easy, enjoy the process, and blowing the paint over my white paint. So just finishing off, sort of, I just went around the edges a little bit. It looks a little bit chunky, so probably a lesson learned for me is do it thinner, the paint thinner, but I just find it so much easier to control, as you see where I've just lightly blown that minky colour over the white. But anyway, this is another little test. These were custom colours made again with burnt sienna and what was the other one I used? I put burnt sienna in orange, and that was metallic gold, and then I had some metallic black. So I'm sort of going to stick with these colours, real sort of autumn themed earthy goodness, and get my little blower and blow it out. quite like that. It turned out very nice, sort of petally looking, it lacking definition. So I do try to fiddle around with this one to get it nicer looking. And yeah, using those balloon dips, they turned out some gorgeous little effects in the white there. So really trying to restrain myself, hold myself back from those crazy balloon kisses, which I love to do. So I'm going to try on the other side maybe something similar, but I'm maybe going to blow this side out with a straw instead of the hairdryer. But I'll keep on with this theme.
Let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown, your words echoing.
Do you know how much restraint this takes me from getting my balloon and just ballooning the gizzards out of it all? You know how crazy I can get with my balloon. So I like it, and that's what I like to say to you all. It's your art, your rules, your way. Do as you choose, whatever makes you feel happy. Oh, that's a nice one, isn't it? That's gorgeous. Look at that. And that gives another nice effect in there. Yeah, that's really lovely. Definitely need a little bit thinner paints, and I definitely will try this particular composition with different colours. What do you guys think of these colours? Are they your colours or they're not? I'd be interested to know. So I'm just going to merrily play here and see what I get. But the thing is that you're enjoying the process and you're loving what you do. This is what this is all about. No stress. Remember, it's only paint. Don't stress over it.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way, yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. Oh, heavy road, go easy on me now, and my love will shine.
This ghost technique that I've started doing, where you only blow your bold colour onto the lighter or vice versa. It really creates like a soft romantic effect. Really loving that. So that's a winner. And this different composition with those earthy, autumny blooms, I guess, in there. I think it could do with a little bit of tweaking, and everybody will have different opinions what it needs, but ultimately, when it's your art, your rules, your way, remember. But I'm always open to constructive suggestions. That looks, a puppy dog sitting there. It's amazing what you do see in your pours. But I'm super duper happy with that one, and I hope that you love that different composition with the ghost technique, or whatever I'm calling it these days. That's my Samsung washing machine. Okie doke, my lovelies. Take care. I'll be back tomorrow. Bye for now.